Career seekers one and all, welcome to the Junction.
Oh, nice sweater. Is it vintage?
Why? Does it look out of style? This is my interview sweater. Shh, quiet in there. I don't care who started it.
Wow! I love both your outfits for this semi-professional occasion. Wow.
Out of the way! Why do they keep making things out of stuff that explodes?
Wow, mind blown! That career course was so valuable.
Yeah, let's all go get jobs. And tacos.
At the Junction, we help you take your career to the next level. Number 4694523. Please proceed to the welcome room. Thank you.
Oh, that's me.
That's me.
What? No,
It's on the
my,
ticket.
my number.
It's awesome. We're all together at least.
Woo! Did somebody say Dream Team?
No.
The name's Terry, Commentary. And it's my pleasure to welcome you to the Junction, where career kings and queens realize their cosmic employment destinies.
You guys can see through him too, right?
Taking that next big step in your career can feel confusing, exciting, scary, epic. At the Junction, we lean into those big feelings because sometimes it takes a little more than we realize to get us out of a career rut. But rest assured, we provide the very best in skill-building programs, meticulously designed as a series of epic quests to get you ready for your next big step.
Wait, epic quests?
A new career, oh so fulfilling, earned through mythically, magically skilling. Not
When do we get jobs?
Welcome to Level 1, the Power Move Portal.
I know that symbol. It's a warning sign.
Maybe it is a warning about your future employment destinies. To walk through the Power Move portal and towards the career of your dreams, all you have to do is think of the future you want and set a goal. Easy, right?
Sounds good to me. I should totally record this for my channel. That's the future I want, all right. Fame and fortune awaits!
It's never as easy as they say it's gonna be.
It has to be a realistic future. You can't just think of being rich and famous.
Obviously, dreams are earned through super hard work and talent.
Or, nepotism.
Nepo baby! Whoa!
Our ring-a-ding wake-up call. There's no one path to success in the job market. Try setting sensible goals.
Look at me, I'm turning off my phone at the end of the day. I'm leaving my work behind at the office and not taking it home with me. Wait, is that possible?
Do you believe it is?
Grown.
Work-life balance is a future goal. Who's next?
I'm at work, and I don't have to prove that I deserve to be there. My coworkers don't compete with me on the stuff I know. We are saving the world together. And kombucha on tap!
Wanting a cooperative and supportive work environment is a future goal. Let's see how you imagine your future. Nice imagination.
The thing is, I don't know what I want. But I do know what I don't want. I'm tired of trying to keep up with the latest technology.
Hey, Terry, what happens when you look into the portal?
Oh, me! Let me show you. there's me giving this presentation again for the next group, who will be here in 1 minute. So hurry up and make some goals.
No, wait! I really need to find my perfect job!
There is no perfect job or perfect future. Life is what you make of it and take from it. I gotta go.
I don't want to take things. I want to make things. Furniture. Things that people can hold on to. Things that last.
And what about me? I can't get a job on my own. I need help.
Admitting you need help is a realistic first step to your future.
What?
You have passed the Power Move portal. Proceed to the next level.
Yeah! Pull the thread! Should my spine be doing this? Thanks for pulling me through. I'm Goman, brand ambassador extraordinaire for Soak Life. Soak your life. Sorry for ruining your nice sweater.
It's not important. I just wore this to look professional. Anyways, I'm BoomBox. I guess acknowledge.
I just need a stable job so bad. I can't move back with my parents. My folks have no followers. Ooh, look at its door.
Woofer, treble. Don't listen to him. There's nothing wrong with living with your dad, and I've lost him again.
I guess we're all in this quest thing together. Yeah, I'm Princess, by the way.
I'm Prism! And I'm going to be so helpful. Seriously, promise. I actually won most helpful on my last internship. They gave me a gift card.
That's it?
And tons of exposure. Wow!
Oh.
So sorry. I'll pay for your coffee. How much was it?
$47.
Uh-huh. Well, I'll pay you back after we find the true path to success.
Yep, let's get right on that. So, where do we go? There are a lot of weird-looking doors to a lot of weird-looking places.
Oh, maybe one will lead us to lunch. Oh, does anybody have any dietary restrictions or allergies?
I'm allergic to dust, but that's not food.